Hey everyone, this is Dennis Hopper Jr. here. I want to go over a few things. I want to show you how towards the end of this video to pay your MLS dues for free. Let me repeat that. I mean free. Also, to set that up so it will all make sense by showing you tricks, tips, and hacks. I want to go over a few things. NerdWallet, thepointsguy.com, Reddit flowchart. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. Right here, looking at your screen, this is the NerdWallet website. And I want you to go ahead and look at a few things on the website. Go ahead and read through this. Compare business credit cards for good credit. A lot of good information here. Next, the Points Guy. Great website. Tells a lot about business credit cards, travel credit cards. A lot of good information in here. Next, check out the Points Guy YouTube. Beginner Points Basics with Brian Kelly. I would definitely recommend watching this video. It'll give you some ideas. Next, I want you to check out reddit.com and Churning. All you do is you go to Reddit and you type in Churning, and there's going to be some threads here. You're going to be able to read through some of this. There's different things here. When you go to Reddit, then I want you to type in flowchart. Right here, it's a flowchart for churning credit cards. Looks like this. Reading through this, you need to find out what a 524 is. It'll kind of give you some ideas in here how to churn credit cards. Great information. Next, I want to give a big shout out to Stephan. He's got a great YouTube channel. This video here, the 5 best credit cards for beginners, I would definitely recommend watching this video. The 5 best credit cards for beginners. Okay, I want to dive right in here and show you how you can get this done. First of all, here we've got the Chase Business Preferred Credit Card. It gives you 80,000 points after you spend 5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. It does have a $95 annual fee. What this credit card will give you, your bonus will be $705. You can redeem this in a gift card. Next, the second card you're going to churn, Chase Sapphire Preferred, 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. There's a $95 annual fee. Now your total after your bonus, after the first 3 months, will be $600, which equals 600 points. Now, if you minus the annual fee, right here you see it comes to $505. So your first credit card was $705, and the second credit card is going to be $505. Your grand total, you add $705 and $505, and it comes to $1,210. Most association dues are going to be about $1,200, about $100 a month. So that is how to pay your MLS dues free for a real estate agent. Budget for success. Next, I'm going to show you my credit card churning notepad. Step 1, read everything I have shown you. Step 2, make sure your timing is correct for signing up with the credit card. Step 3, sign up for Inc. Business Preferred Chase credit card. 3 months to get the bonus. 2 billing cycles, 5 months total. Spend $1,600 per month, and that will equal the $5,000 you need to spend on the card in the first 3 months. Step 4, daily living expenses. Things you can pay for: rent, mortgage, insurance. Now you can pay your insurance the full year. Groceries, entertainment, restaurants, utilities, anything you buy online, Amazon, eBay, car payments. Now the alternative in a pinch is buy $100 gift cards. I would do this along with your grocery purchases. Now they may catch on, but this is what you do in a pinch. Step 5, do not buy things you do not need. Be disciplined. Step 6, pay your balance by the end of the due date, and there will be no interest charges. Your billing cycle. Step 7, halfway to 3/4 through, you need to start the next credit card, Churn, Chase Sapphire Preferred. Step 8, do not tell anyone you are doing this. They will tell you that you are crazy and try to talk you out of it. Step 9, this works. Read what I've shown you. MLS dues are a tax write-off at the end of the year. Keep that in mind. Pay your dues on a monthly budget and then include them in your living expenses. From start to finish, it will be about 5 months to get your bonus point cash. Cancel the credit card if needed after each churn. And then discipline is the key to success. Your bonus can be a travel voucher for flights if needed. And a disclaimer here: do not do this if you are buying a house, car, or a large item. Go ahead and go over this. Go back to all the websites I've shown you. NerdWallet, The Points Guy. Check his YouTube out. His name is Brian Kelly. Go to Reddit. Do some research. Take a look at the flow chart for churning credit cards. Read through this. Watch a few videos by Stephan. Inc. Business Preferred Card. Move into Sapphire Preferred Card. Alternative Card. Capital One, Spark. There's a 50,000 point bonus on this one. That's an alternative for you. I hope this gave you some tips to pay your MLS dues free. Okay, after you've gotten this done, you're going to be at $1,210. This should cover your MLS dues. I hope this makes sense. You like to save money, you like free money, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe. Go ahead and get out there and churn a couple of credit cards to pay your MLS dues.